Well, welcome back to our super checkout tutorial, and this time I'm going to show you guys how to set up affiliations for your checkout. This is perhaps the most important and exciting feature of our new checkout, where you will be able to have affiliates for your products and people can sell your products for you and you can give them commissions at different levels. So I'll go back to the products that I just made and I'm going to go to edit, and this will run me through the system again. I already had enabled affiliation. And now we can see our levels here. I currently have a 5% level, which means that there'll be a 5% level commission. You can have another level as well. This could be at the 10% level, and you can make as many of these levels as you want, but as long as you confirm there, and you can see that there are several different levels that you could have for your affiliation. And then this is basically everything you need to know as far as the product goes. And then it'll have you update the product at the end. Now, if I go down to links here, this is going to be where you click the links. This is going to show you links that you will put on your pages. Now, you designated or you pre-designated the pages for your checkout, where the sales page is, where the affiliation page is, and the thank you page. These are pages that you're going to redirect people to go to access your checkout at different levels. Now, if you want people to go to your sales page, you can give them this URL for the sales page. If you already have affiliates and you want them to become affiliates, you can go here. And then this is going to be the thank you page URL. Now, these are the URLs that will be shared, put in your website that will redirect them to your checkout. You would put this URL in a button. So I would basically copy this and put it in a button on your sales page, and it would redirect them to the checkout. The affiliate registration URL, if you want to have affiliates as you do for this product, you would put this on the affiliation page, or they could be redirected, and then you would be signing up to become an affiliate on this page. And then the affiliate login, this is going to be on the same page probably as the home page or the sales page, where your affiliates can log in. This is kind of like the affiliate backend, where they can access their panel. And then if you go down here, you can see where you have people that are signing up to be an affiliate, and you can approve them here, as well as you can manage your commissions here. Okay, and really quickly, I will show you kind of the idea of applying this to your website. I'll go back to the product. I'll go back to the links. I'll copy this checkout link here. And since this is the home page that I've designated as my sales page, I will just select a button. And on this button, if I right click and go to action, and I use the web address option and I paste the link there, this is going to be the checkout link. So you would probably advertise your product here, say that you have a checkout for it. They would click buy now. It would take them to the checkout. If I go back here, we also have the affiliate registration URL that you would put in the affiliates page. So the way that this system would work, or how I would think it would work best, would be on this sales page, or on a different page if you would like. You can set up a button. I'm going to go to the affiliates page because I designated it here. Somehow they would get redirected to this page if they really had the desire to become one of your affiliates. Then you would select a button again. And on this button, I would go to the action, the web address, and then this is going to be the affiliate registration URL. So I put that there. And then last thing here, the panel login for your affiliates who have already requested to be affiliates and have become your affiliates. This is a link that you could put on your sales page or in a different page where they could log in to access their back end for their affiliation. And I'll just set up under another button, one that looks slightly different. And this button here, again, you could just do the action for web address, and this would be the affiliate login page. Okay, so that is how you set up affiliation for your checkout. Please stay tuned for more tutorials and stay tuned for more coming with this new checkout. And as always, have a great day.